thinking about buying or selling a home in 2025? Hold up, because the features buyers want are changing fast. And if you don't know what's trending, you could miss out on thousands of dollars when selling or make a purchase you regret later. So what's hot in 2025? Stick around, because we're diving into the top must-have home features that will make or break a deal. First up, smart home technology. Buyers in 2025 are looking for fully integrated smart homes. Think voice-controlled lighting with systems like Philips Hue or Lutron Caseta, Nest Learning thermostats that adjust automatically, and keyless entry systems like August smart locks. Home security is another big deal, with Ring or Arlo smart doorbells and AI-driven security systems that can detect unfamiliar activity. These aren't just luxuries anymore, they're expected. If you're selling, investing in smart upgrades can instantly boost your home's appeal and market value. Next, eco-conscious living is bigger than ever. Energy efficiency isn't just a trend, it's a demand. Buyers are actively seeking solar panels from companies like Tesla Solar or SunPower, triple pane windows for insulation, tankless water heaters that reduce energy waste, and even smart irrigation systems like Ratio to cut down water usage. Electric vehicle EV adoption is soaring, and home buyers want built-in EV charging stations. Brands like ChargePoint, HomeFlex, or Tesla Wall Connector are in high demand. Not only does this cut energy bills, but many states offer tax incentives for going green. If you're selling, highlighting these features can give you a serious edge over the competition. One of the biggest post-pandemic shifts in real estate: flexible living spaces. Buyers want homes that can adapt to their needs, whether that's a dedicated home office with built-in shelving and soundproof panels, a home gym with foldable equipment like a mirror or Peloton, or even a guest room that doubles as a workspace with a Murphy bed. Open floor plans are still popular, but with an emphasis on zoned areas that create defined spaces without feeling cramped. For example, a loft area can function as a reading nook, a kid's study area, or a meditation zone. If you're selling, staging a space with versatility in mind is a great move. You've heard it before, kitchens and bathrooms sell homes. But in 2025, buyers are looking for bigger, better, and smarter kitchens. Think quartz or porcelain countertops that are easy to maintain, smart refrigerators like Samsung's Family Hub with touchscreen displays, and motion-activated faucets from Moen or Delta. Hidden storage solutions like pull-out pantries and drawer organizers are becoming must-haves. In bathrooms, buyers want spa-like features such as freestanding tubs, rainfall showers with LED lighting, and heated flooring. Smart toilets with built-in bidets like Toto's Washlet are becoming a major trend. If you're upgrading, focusing on these features can bring a huge return on investment. Outdoor living is here to stay. Buyers want functional, comfortable outdoor spaces, not just a basic yard. Features like built-in fire pits, covered pergolas with retractable shades, and fully equipped outdoor kitchens with gas grills and mini fridges are becoming top priorities. Homeowners are also investing in weatherproof furniture, string lights, and sound systems like Sonos Move to create an immersive entertainment space. If you're selling, transforming your backyard into a usable, stylish outdoor retreat can set your home apart from the competition. And finally, one of the most fascinating trends for 2025, homes designed for wellness. Buyers want spaces that support mental and physical well-being. That means large windows for maximum natural light, soundproofing for better sleep, and HEPA air filtration systems. Another key element, Biophilic design, which integrates nature into the home. Think living plant walls, reclaimed wood furniture, and stone finishes. Even circadian lighting systems, which adjust throughout the day to mimic natural sunlight, are gaining popularity. The goal? creating a home that feels like a personal sanctuary for relaxation and productivity. So there you have it, the top home features buyers are searching for in 2025. Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming about your next home, keeping up with these trends will help you make smart, future-proof decisions. Got questions about the real estate market? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're ready to find or sell your perfect home, hit that subscribe button and reach out. I'd love to help you make your move. See you in the next video.